Welcome to day 14 of the program. Today I'll be talking about sicknesses and diseases. In my years of deliverance ministry, I've come to realize there are many sicknesses that are not natural, but that are sponsored by the kingdom of darkness, especially the powers of witchcraft and marine kingdoms. And these sicknesses and diseases can enter people through covenants, through clothing, through your family line, through the community where you live, and they can even attack you through the food you eat or the dreams or through dreams. And that is why someone can eat food in the dream and wake up becoming very sick. That is why somebody can just go to the village, you come back and your leg is swollen. That is why somebody can resume an office on the first day of going to work, the person comes back sick. All these are sicknesses that are being sponsored by the kingdom of darkness. And many of these sicknesses, they do not respond to treatment. And when they do respond to treatment, to medical treatment, they disappear for a while and return back even stronger. Some of these sicknesses can be identified if they continue to repeat from generation to generation, from father, mother, aunt, sister, auntie, what have you. So the question is, why do evil powers sponsor witchcraft, sponsor sicknesses into people? Well, the primary reason why they sponsor diseases and sicknesses is to cause frustration, to waste the person's time, waste his resources and financial well-being, and to put you from defensive mode to survival mode. They know when you are sick, you can hardly pray. They know when you are sick, you cannot achieve your destiny. So that is the primary goal why they send sicknesses into people. Some of these sicknesses are also set as anchors. They are anchored to cause trouble in your marriage, to cause quarrel in your marriage, to make your marriage very, very unhappy. Some of them are set as timers in destiny. They make them to appear at a certain time of your destiny, or the victim's destiny, not you, in the name of Jesus. And that is why somebody can just be fine and healthy until they get married. Once they get married, the wife will begin to go from hospital to the hospital. The husband will begin to go, or the husband will be going to hospital to hospital with no medical history. Some people, once they travel abroad, before you know it, sicknesses here and there. Some people, once they make it through breakthrough, once they build their first house or buy their first car, sicknesses will just from here and there begin to show up. Or once they make enough money, sicknesses from nowhere. So those kind of sicknesses are timers. They appear at a certain time of the person's destiny. And the goal is to cause frustration in that person's life. The only way to deal with these kind of situations is not through medical treatment, but to cut the root source. You need to target the root source. And once the root source is exposed to the power of God, those sponsorship will be cut off. And today I pray that any power dragging your destiny, causing pain in your destiny via sicknesses, that those powers will be cut off in the name of Jesus. So I will continue to pray that as you join me in the next session, that God's mighty hand will lift you up above your enemies, that every hand designed to cause you shame will be embarrassed in the name of Jesus. God bless you. See you soon.